Okay, so this is the penultimate video on the critical essay series. This one, very, very quick. This is basically a post-essay checklist, the things that you should go through once you've finished. So obviously, probably a bit more use later on once we're actually into the swing of practicing critical essays. But still useful to see at the start so you can see what it is you're aiming for and try and remember these things as you go through the process of learning how to produce your own critical essays. So the checklist is as follows. Things to make sure that you've done at the end when you're reading back. Is it an appropriate question for the text? Have you got the introduction in there with the answer to the question? Is there a statement in every paragraph, and is it introducing the point? Evidence in each main paragraph, at least a couple of lines probably. A couple of points of analysis for every paragraph, so that would be at least 2 sentences, obviously. A comment at the end of each main paragraph that refers back to the essay question and helps the argument develop too. And does the conclusion then revisit the essay question and explain how you've answered it and engaged with it? That's it. So those are the stages, those are all the key parts. That's essentially a summary of the things you have to do with a critical essay. So we will obviously come back to this as we kind of get through the course and you're doing more and more things like timed practice and maybe some closed book assessments and stuff like that. But fundamentally, if you can, commit that checklist largely to memory before you start writing essays, then you won't need to use it so much to fix mistakes at the end. Okay, usual thing, any questions, any issues, let me know. One more video to come on this series, which will be looking at some sort of tips and advice for studying and preparing for the actual essay writing and for the exam. Thanks.